guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to do a story time on my first ever fire alarm in primary school. So I was in year 1 and we had our first ever proper fire alarm. And what we were doing is we just sat down to have lunch. And we were having mince and dumplings, and I didn't like mince and dumplings then, but I had it anyways because I was like really hungry and there was nothing else for dinner. So we were having mince and dumplings for dinner. Oh, it stresses me out so much. And then it was all hot and everything. The fire alarm decides to go off. And since I was like in year 1 and I was like really little, I started like having like a little panic attack. Like I didn't know what to do. I was like freaking out so much because I'd never heard a fire alarm go off before, and it was my first one in primary. So I was like, what should I do? What should I do? What do 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 I do? So I run up to the dinner lady and I just grab her hand. I'm like, Miss, I don't know what to do. What do I do? Where do I need to go? What do I need to do? She wasn't even my dinner lady for my year. I just found a random one. I didn't even know her very well. She was like the year 4 dinner lady or something. I was like, Miss, I can't find my dinner lady. Where do I go? I don't know what to do. And she was like, right, just come with me. I'll take you to your line. Are you in year 1? And I'm like, yes, Miss. I'm talking like really fast. And I'm like, yes, Miss, I'm in year 1. Like, I don't know what to do. Like, help. Please help me. And she's like, it's fine. Just calm down. Calm down. And she's rubbing my back. And I'm like, Miss, I can't calm down if there's a fire alarm going off and I can't find my year group and I don't know what to do. So I'm freaking out. And I'm like, I need my mum. And obviously my mum is at work and I'm at school, so I can't have my mum. So I stay with this dinner lady until we head outside. And we were starting the registers, but my year group weren't out. And I'm like standing with this dinner lady and I'm like, why is my year group not coming out? Where's my dinner lady? Where's the rest of my year group? And it was just me being paranoid because they were coming around the corner the minute I said that. They said, my dinner lady said she was looking for me, but I literally just jumped up and ran to a teacher because she'd gone missing when I was looking for her. So she must have went off when I was looking for her. So we had a misconfusion there, a total misunderstanding and stuff. So I just run to my dinner lady and I'm like, Miss, where have you been? I've been looking for you everywhere. And she's like, I've been going off looking for you because I just seen you shoot up from your seat. I didn't see where you went. And I went, I just been standing with a dinner lady because I was like really freaked out and I couldn't find anyone that I knew. And she was like, oh, it's fine, it's fine. So we got in our fire alarm lines in the yard on the grass. And the head teacher runs out with all the registers, giving the teachers all the registers. And all the year groups take our register to make sure that everyone's there. She calls out my name and I just say my name and start burning. I can't. Oh, I start bursting out with tears because I'm like, I used to be so scared of fires because I didn't know what would happen because I've never been in a fire. So I was like, I just started bursting out with tears and I was standing with Alyssa, my friend Alyssa. Alyssa, if you're watching this, then hi. And I was standing with her and she just grabbed my hand. She was like, it's okay, it's fine, everything's fine, you're with me, you've got the teachers, you've got everyone around you, like, you'll be fine. And I just gave her a big hug and I was like, thank you, Alyssa, like, I can't thank you enough. I know that sounds like really weird, but like I was just like really freaking out and stressed. And the head teacher shouts once everyone's done their register, she goes, just want to let everyone know this is not a drill. We do have a fire in the school. And I'm like, my bag and everyone else's bag in school. Where's the fire? I don't want my stuff to get ruined because it was the second term of year 1 and we haven't had our fire drill yet and I didn't know if I was meant to bring my bag or not. So we usually have a fire drill, and then if it actually does happen, then we usually have a fire afterwards. But no, we didn't have a practice drill or anything. She goes, "This is not a drill. You need to leave your bags and everything. There is a fire." And my teacher asks whereabouts the fire is, and she says it's in the dinner hall. They sort the fire out, and I'm not kidding. The fire was on the cooker. Someone in the kitchen had knocked the fire alarm with their elbow by accident, and there was literally no fire. The only fire was coming from the kitchen cooker, but it wasn't even that big. It was like a tiny flame when you first turn the gas on. So there wasn't actually a fire. Someone knocked the alarm button with their elbow, and by the time we went in, it was past dinner time. It was into the lesson. None of us had anything to eat, so we missed the lesson to go back to our dinner.
Sweet peanuts.
And it was all cold, and they had no spare food. So we had to eat cold food for no reason, because someone had made a huge mistake, knocked the fire alarm button with their elbow, made everyone think that there was no drill,
Sweet as a nut.
when really it was just a big misunderstanding. So that is my first fire alarm in primary, and it was very stressful. If you have any video suggestions for me, then please leave them in the comments, because I would absolutely love to hear your ideas on what videos I should post. Also, like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications, because I don't want you to miss out on whenever I post a video, because it'll just really offensive to me if you don't. No, I'm joking. But please subscribe, because it would mean everything, and hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Any other suggestions, just leave them in the comments. And also, tell me if you liked this video or not in the comments, and tell me a little bit about yourself. Just, I don't know, let's start a conversation in the comments. But hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in another video. Bye guys.